Going on a cruise? Let's talk outfits, let's talk shoes, what to pack, what to wear, and how to avoid fashion regrets on the ship and off. Heels on a cruise. Be smart. Be cautious with your shoes, especially heels. Cruise ships can be slippery, even when carpeted floors are involved. After dinner, you'll probably walk around, go to a show, or grab a drink. So, if you pack heels, make sure they're comfortable, like wedges, for example. Excursion outfits, do your research. When you go on excursions, check the dress codes. Some places, like mosques or basilicas, have strict rules. In the UAE, I had to cover my wrists, ankles, and wear a veil. And even in Europe, shorts and tank tops may not be allowed inside churches. Bring one modest outfit just in case. It's always better to be respectful. We are about to go inside, and I told you guys I brought the pants. So I'm wearing those inside because you have to wear something like below the knee, but it's super hot here. Dinner attire. Don't show up in pool wear. If you're going to sit down for dinner at the all-inclusive restaurant, dress up. It's not the buffet, it's a full-service experience. I love wearing dresses or a sleek jumpsuit. You'll feel polished, and honestly, you'll look great in the photos too. We are headed to dinner. Just wanted to share my outfit. I've worn this a bunch of times. This is a staple in my closet. This is from UCBG. It's very comfortable, super stylish. I got sunburned, so now we're off to dinner. Come on. Carry on essentials. This is very important. Always pack an outfit and underwear in your carry-on. If your luggage is delayed by any reason, you'll have something clean and comfortable to wear. That first afternoon on the ship is better when you're not stuck in your airport clothes. Gala night. Dress to impress. You might not know this. Most cruises have a formal gala night, and trust me, it's your red carpet moment. This is when everyone dresses up and it feels special. I usually go for a long dress, something elegant but comfortable after dinner. Don't hold back. If you think you're overdressed, you're probably perfectly dressed. Pack extra clothes. You'll need them. You'll be doing a lot of swimming, exploring, eating, and dancing. So I always pack 3 outfits per day. Here's a tip. I do an entire Excel spreadsheet with everything that I'm going to wear. I also include jewelry that I'm gonna wear, how I'm gonna do my makeup. It adds more fun to the trip for me. As something that I enjoy, and I recommend for you to do it. I love feeling fresh and dressed for the moment. This last one is very important and is excursion footwear and comfort. You guys know I love shoes, and for excursions, you have to wear comfortable shoes, and you cannot break into those shoes for the trip. You'll be doing a lot of walking on sand, cobblestone, or steep paths. And always remember to pack with local customs in mind. If you want to see more cruise videos where you can explore Norwegian Epic, Explorer of the Seas, Jewel of the Seas, I'm going to be linking them down below. In those playlists, you're going to go on excursions, you're going to be touring the ships, and you're going to get an idea of what that vacation is like. I hope that you subscribe. Please leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, and if you made it to the end of the video, leave me a heart in the comments. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.